zumi pa chuau channel a kan lo let le ta tun tum chu aviation museum a kan kal dona abula tang to thleng in lo thlir don nia heta hian tho na pakhat New York atanga thlok chuak New York Ropui sira Hudson tui chunga tho na tlata amaro chu pakhat ma thianom lova kangkha garonda lang dona til entur tam takoma chung kan mu te chu kan ronda lang dona ni abula tang to thleng in lo thlir don nia indo pui pani lion tho na man te le til che sang sang an da te kan ron thlir don ani teo man hi tro he lai kha aerial workshop ente ang lo khu a chuat khu trum suala ol tu mel tro a ke zu dan khu tro an niam lu tu trum suala ol mel hey army how big khan ni mel tro anyang khoi lam ei chona ake te mak I tro a trung ve na sale ni kon mangrem ve le ni kon te ke mam vek thei tro an trung ve le ni don ni ya hun la ya an man dan World War II World War II ten lo mong ni World War II he like can fly ang lo boka hey po bai te a lon thei le lo mi pakhat lek thut nan nei ni so mak e tron thiam e hetiang tho na han siam sok thai na nom chen Ropui mo ni e teng te hi ti ve top mai ni mo an thu do ne lon do le lon du hey ta ka la lang lon do
as soon as he gets in there you won't be able to see him
yeah
because it's way down in there
wow wow hello I can't see you Ben Evan
wave over there stand up and wave over to your right
stand up Evan
he's trying to fly
okay he's gonna find
okay let me show you how okay is it okay if I reach down there okay.
yeah
you gonna try this buddy
hey khona engting yen khalthina ti kha anan so ni
red buttons to brake once you're on the ground don't worry about the buttons
yeah
fly the airplane
chuang khadik ba se boya kharon ding lang se thatur eben kharon ding lang se thatur nia hey la le bye ron tera bye ron tera anu po haron bye ru bye ta say bye ani mo sedenity crash yeah okay atu na ti beng yeah ei thonan khal don ni e ben kha na thiam ma mi ang ti nga no ma ti ve ben kha na thiam ve a alu dai ni mo kha han
Burma
Kujumia khaldon kan eneng. Karonkal, karonkal. Talking me.
Don't worry about the other buttons, okay?
This one stop?
No, don't worry about this one. Stop right there. Go ahead, grab.
Okay, like this.
Yeah, push forward to that. Nice and smooth, right and left. Okay, now keep your nose down. Push forward. Push forward. There you go. See the runway?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, try to land on that runway.
Video kalache.
Ah, crash.
Crash down.
You want to try it again, sweetie? Here, let's get her close.
Diarin ay klona khali oldon lo ni hi.
Oh, har lut to kang.
Okay, you gonna try it?
Ti ve fe chung ai hi ya po to.
Chu chu.
Ani lo ma kal de. Ni to lo.
So we're gonna let her go.
Di passenger de chu.
Ka pasen sa chon rui don ni hi. Ah, ta. Oh gosh.
Whoa. Level out. There you go. Pull your nose up. Front cockpit, pull back on your stick a little bit. Pull back, keep your nose up.
Pull back
Stay
at
in the
the.
air. There you go, good job. Did you try to fly that?
Turbulence oma mon tiaga.
Real small. To your right, little, and keep your nose up. Real small controls. You gonna try it again, bud?
Then try that.
I'm gonna have you try that. See that right there?
Oh my god.
Just try to fly like that without the other view. Let's try this view.
Ah, crash down. Crash down.
Oh, you almost had it.
Crash down. No way. Goes. I'm wrong now. Oh, with us.
Oh, crashed. Okay.
See how small I'm moving? How little I'm moving on this?
Thank you, sir.
Kan zo ta pakhat chu
Kailan po?
ki to nan khai wai fur mai tro
All right, brother. The klona siam masad ver.
oh hey so tapos so chuan natur khanyang khal chinanga ti khama khai paila thau chu an ba in me thei tro an in me thei an uniform den in me thei thin ui trục khóc mấy hay so at ni ang chi khan te mấy lam le chip lamak no ver chi helicopter kamo passenger purnam taile to kam innovation nation annual khalam tang kan tran don nge he tang kan kal don so mi an sia tro anung lama kan don ni Zawk ano pangan pui rin idon hi hey chu abok na sale mai indo puya naman ni don tro hang te chu ani don ni o 207 anyang breaking barrier ti bombard ang chi car aircraft kha chu pilot thut na ni mo pilot seat ani kha an how tak om pilot ni te tro thut na no oh hey ente ran thal bu pun tak ta hena pai bok don ni kitro
Ani don sa
achwa na okay oh apui thei an til hi in do thlo na khi tu ya tla pakhat
tu yat la New York ani khai na shem
o kha kha lo
ka khan
hei hi niang a hemi airways hi ta khan tu tla khan an la a
sava su ta pilot
Sava
kya
su.
e mo wanga tui puya atum pui ho kha
o sia kha kha ni mo hei de daman omem nge kha
andam vek
an van nei ming lar tam chu ni chu ro chu wang chon hei hi an ron chop chuak ta ni mo hei hi savalu na khamo a uinga savalu ta
sava ho mo
o arwal len lut ti na ming tingi savat kho kho arwal te khata hian a uinga hian an lut ta chu wang chuan au akang ta a te chuanin pilot khan in tuipuya khan in a thok lut ta te ro chuan passenger khan dam ta feka khamia wang khan tuna hian hela hi a hriat reng nan an lo da khi tuipuya o khi helicopter ho mi chan him turin an chuk thata khatiang khai tuna hen lo la ni hi a ro puitro Hudson River down Hudson River adik chia hi te khian ki tuya an rescue life ni ki ro pui pilot khat chuan om tro mishing thi ngei tur angai khamo ngai sanom takani US Airways ai oi rem khap mai hela hi Hudson River an lo da ni hi la hian a tum lu pui ta an han dam ta vek mai kha chu an thawwa yang chu an hlau thon rol khan ko ngai to thina kha tiang ang khan han accident paltal hau dan tur hi tro
dan chung sang lu to ro wa chan thon an thok pe to wa khatiang huna chuan
a thakwa so material vel khani mo chung inte suitcase te an la mu ho ki na mi oi am je hi an nei tun mu zo to lo nge tro
presentation is 21 second but passenger ho ta every second count antia
an mu zo to
25 passenger paid attention to the instruction 12 right instruction
January 15th was the coldest day, Monday through Thursday.
Flying was
very smooth, very gentle, and I could just feel we were climbing.
Texas 1549, 700, landing 5,000.
When 1549 took off, it was around out of 300-400 feet when he first initially contacted me.
Texas 1549, departure to contact on maintain 15,000.
Maintain 15,000, Texas 1549.
And basically they tell you the altitude leaving, what they're climbing up to.
I'm watching because, again, I'm in a window. I have to look out. It's just my thing. I have to see where I am. I know the geography of New York, so I recognize as we're going over the bay. I recognize as we're going up over the Bronx.
And I was seated on the right side of the airplane, so I thought, hey, let me look out the window. Let me see if I can see the Bronx and Yankee Stadium.
New York, Charlie 2760, 5,000, turning your right, 150.
Charlie 2760, climb maintain 10,000.
10,000, Charlie 2760.
Everything felt smooth, so I felt comfortable enough to reach under my seat, get my bag out, pull out my book, and it was when I was pulling out my book and my head was down. The plane actually shook. There's no more engine noise. There's silence,
and I realized immediately that we were in trouble.
Cactus 15.9, turn left lane 270.
This is Cactus 1539, inferred to lost thrust on both engines, returning back towards LaGuardia.
Okay, you need to return to LaGuardia. Turn left heading up 220.
320.
They say you only use like about 8% of your brain, but when something like this happens, I think it doubles. Just time goes so slow.
Tower, stop your departures. Got emergency returning. What is it? 1529. He bird strike. He lost all engine. He lost the thrust in the engine. He's returning immediately. Cactus 1529. Which engines? He lost thrust in both engines. He said. Got it. Cactus 1529. We can get it, B. If you want to try to land 113.
We're unable. We may end up in Hudson.
I smelled something that smelled like an electrical fire.
Someone behind me on the right said, the right engine's on fire. And then someone on the left said, no, the left engine is on fire. So now you're realizing it's the engines. Oh, this is not good. It's panic at that point.
Hi, Cactus 15.9. It's going to be left traffic to runway 31.
Unable.
Okay, what do you need to land?
I looked out and saw the towers of the George Washington Bridge very close below us. Way too close.
Cactus 15.9. Runway 4 is available if you want to make left traffic to runway 4.
Idiot. I'm not sure we're going to make any runway. What's over to our right? Anything in New Jersey? Maybe Teterboro?
I've never seen the Palisades on the right-hand side and the buildings on the left-hand side getting bigger and bigger.
Do you want to try to go to Teterboro?
Yes.
Teterboro, LaGuardia Departure Sky Emergency inbound.
Hey, go ahead.
Cactus 1529 over the George Washington Bridge. Wants to go to the airport right now.
Going to the airport. Check. Does he need assistance?
Yes, it was a bird strike. Can I get him in for runway 1?
Runway 1, that's good.
Cactus 1529, turn right 280. You can land runway 1 at Teterboro.
We can't do it.
Okay, which runway would you like at Teterboro?
We're going to be in Hudson.
I'm sorry, say again, Cactus?
But all of a sudden, the captain came on and he said, "This is the captain, brace for impact."
The flight attendants went into a chant of heads down, stay down, brace, brace, brace.
Cactus 15.9, radar contact is lost. You also got Newark Airport up at 2 o'clock in about 7 miles.
Adrenaline kicks in. I was hyper-focused on bracing and hyper-focused on praying.
I just think that my brain was preparing me for death.
What? I couldn't hear anything because my heart was beating so loudly.
But at the very last, say 20 seconds or so after I said my goodbyes and I said my prayers, that's when I had the feeling that overcame me of peace.
To Tango Alpha, it looks like this may be an incident here. Got this side, right there, Visual. To Tango Alpha, is he still flying?
Still flying.
Thank you. Looks like he's dead lower.
Going down.
Somebody behind yelled, "Be ready."
For a couple of seconds, nobody did anything.
The captain came out and he said, "Evacuate."
I felt water around my feet immediately, and it was cold.
We just followed each other out, and I'm out on the wing I go.
You just jumped into the water like you jump into a swimming pool. I just remember thinking, like, I can be cold compared to dead.
Other people are coming off, so I was slowly moving down the wing to make room for others.
Hands were literally like grabbing them like fish and putting them on the deck.
Yeah, ito na nga yan. Ang lutladum mainit siya. Amor ta po. Til sutsu na ini hitro. Apo. Oh, ni doon ni. Pero kaya nga A320 mo. Bun chu lo man timak an van an Ropui. Lâu thầy lo man chua tum na ka hay du pon an ma ani hi hey sava lo na ka an su cha mak ya kang ka mo hey eng thabi fe yen ko na kang sava luta kang khania tu na mi kan kho na en kha ani hi bon ko bai heng kan han mu ta chitro so a tha te so en te chepeng phuni so an tlang an ding thup mai khani mo ki a tha zon che kheng lo ni re ni han van nei na ki exit ka o ki emergency exit kan van nei to phei sava ho chu ei hela hetiang sava hi heng sava ya rol in an luta Sawang Choni. Sawang hi ngoro. Yung lo chun ni mi lo Canada gi sati. Canada house of mo. Arol khan ron lutut mai ni kha. Mak ve reng. Puye. Apuy rem. So apa fine nan lo to kan so. Inte kha chiat nem je so. Thai. An ti Ropui sim mi han dai tro. Endu ta na proof na. It's an tira. So thọ na cho ngani so. Hello. Thọ nay kalami. Mo. Thọ nay kalami Lydia. Hello. Bye tiro. Bye. Bye. Thọ na accident te kan ron so thei pha lo mom lu tu. Hi keng ma ni ngei pon kan riat khan ne thom kha tero kan mu ve nia TV a khan mo tu na hian takin a thlo na kha kan han mu ta mai nia ante a so na em tro dum tui so si ni ya
Kakat an tlak kanin asung asang ro
tina amu dan kanita an ngai sa no me an him taka an han zon thak pui the kha
le na chon class e
le chen sa dona al dona
al boka kha
pai lo than lo thiam mani khatro wa nei thlakin ai to ko landscape ma ai pai lo tania ai ko pai lo tania kra ani don helai train an thlok choka sawa khan helai hian lo hitta chon an kual ta a Hudson River a chon light tui puya hian an tlata ni an van ni na khan ti bo zo vek ani chu ni kan la lok thum so lai pui po helicopter chia le lai pui ten lo da lo mani so lu sim kan kal hitro lom lu to thank you so much indo pui la in Vietnam indo pur la ya arrest ko tu temo an ni chan him na thok tu te an ni chu rei to le mai khi sa va phun lawa thla chu khi khati zong kha tho na museum aviation museum an ti Charlotte kan tlo na karon da thei chun chu lo ni le ta video dang te po laron siam chau zel karon tum do na in lo la thir zel don nia thir tu zong te in zawai chunga lom tu ka soya lpan mal som vek chero se subscribe button kha lamet lawinom chuan subscribe button kha lo met ula te chuan video thar kha notification in lo muzel don nia bye vek ula